AI machines versus humans. Will AI machines replace humans? Part 3 of 5. Who learns better? Efficiency. Who learns faster? Imagine two students preparing for an exam. One is you, the other is an AI-powered system like a chatbot. The AI can read thousands of textbooks in seconds, extract key points, and generate answers instantly. You take days or weeks, absorbing information, reflecting on ideas, and making connections between concepts. A study at Stanford showed that an AI trained on thousands of medical images could diagnose skin cancer with 94% accuracy, sometimes outperforming dermatologists. Why? Because it scanned millions of patient records in minutes, something no human doctor could do alone. But when a new type of skin disease emerged, one not in the AI's dataset, the AI failed, while human doctors used reasoning and experience to diagnose it correctly. Right finger machines are faster, but their knowledge is limited to the data they've seen. Humans learn slower, but we adapt to the unknown. Effectiveness. Who learns better? Tesla's autopilot learns to drive by processing billions of miles of driving data. It can detect patterns, predict obstacles, and even avoid accidents in ways that some humans might not. But let's say a truck suddenly tips over, spilling thousands of tennis balls onto the highway. A human driver would instantly recognize the situation as an emergency, slow down, and take evasive action. But an AI? It may hesitate, misclassify the balls as obstacles, or fail to react in time. Right-finger humans are more effective in unknown situations. We don't just learn from data, we use logic, creativity, and even common sense to solve unpredictable problems.